Hello again, shed heads. This is your head in the laser shed, Brian, and I have a bit of a PSA for all you beginner and novice CNC users out there, such as myself. So when I find these little things, I think I'll share this tidbit, and hopefully it will help avoid a bunch of frustration for other people. So what we see here is we see the tool path, and I'm using gSender, way better than your basic GRBL interface. The buttons are bigger, it increments the number. I encourage anybody to check it out and download it. It is free download. So what we've got here is we've got this image, and if I flip over into VCarve, you can see that this image, these are the plunges, right? So this is going to go up by 15 millimeters from the zero and plunge down into cut my design. And this design is an Eye of Sauron, like that. I'm going to use a different epoxy because this is really not very good. I have a deeper pour epoxy that I'm going to use. But what I do is I just cut the image into the back, right? And then I do two different cuts, one for yellow and the other one for the orange. And that should get me the effect that I want. So I'm tweaking with this a little bit right now as I'm in the middle of this project. And what I'm having is a problem with my gSender. gSender has a feature which says you can put a soft limit switch in so that if it recognizes that it can't go where it's being told to go because it hits a limit, whether that's X or Y or Z, I say Z because I'm Canadian, it won't do it. So the problem I'm having here is I'm going to go and I'm going to just start this job without showing you the thing, and I get an error. The error is because it cannot go higher, or it can't go as high as it needs to do the step over to do another plunge. You can see I've got this jig set up here because these are hemispherical shapes. I made a jig so I could get it flat and get the design in. So what's happening is the bit that I've got in there is too long in its current insertion, and it will not allow the Z-axis to go high enough. So there are two solutions. One, you can actually go and edit a registry setting to make your step over lower. Two, push the bit back in a little bit further, which is a solution I'm going to use. So I'm going to go adjust this bit, and then I'm going to cut this, and then I'm going to send you another video.